How to connect OKX wallet to Galxe. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to head over to the Galxe app using your browser. So go ahead and search for app.galxe.com. Now on the app, go ahead and head over to the Me section. And here you can find all of the available crypto applications where you can connect your account to. So go ahead and click on OKX, and this will redirect you to the OKX website. Now, if you have the OKX application on your device, this will redirect you to the OKX application on your device. Now, on your browser, once it redirects you to OKX, you'll need to sign in to your OKX account. Now, if you're redirected to the OKX app, just simply approve the connection between your OKX account and the Galxe app. Now, after you approve the connection between your OKX account and the Galxe app, your OKX account will be connected to your Galxe app.